Hello, welcome to my channel. The question here under electricity says that the voltage across a wire of resistance 5 ohm is 4 volts. What charge flows across the wire in 1 minute? Now, for us to solve this, let's first of all write out what we are given in the question. This will help us to solve it clearly. The first thing I can see here that we are given is the resistance, letter R. So resistance is 5 ohm. Then we are given the voltage as well. So the voltage V is 4 volts. And then we are given the time. So the time is equal to 1 minute, which is equal to 60 seconds. Don't forget 60 seconds make 1 minute. So this 1 minute equals to 60 seconds because our time should be in seconds. And then we are asked to find the charge, which is letter Q. That we don't know it, we say question mark. But also, if you check the question, we need current as well. And we do not know the current. So the current is also question mark. So now that we have listed what we know and what we are looking for, we can go ahead and apply formulas to calculate each variable. Now, the first letter here, current, can be obtained from Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. That is from Ohm's law. The voltage, we know it as 4 volts. The current, we don't know the current. That is what we are looking for right now. Then multiply by the resistance is 5. So, for me to get the current now, I can simply divide both sides by 5. I divide this side by 5, also divide this side by 5. So that 5 will cancel 5. So 5 cancel 5. And then I'm left with current on this side. So the current. And then 4 divided by 5 will give me 0.8. So I now have the current, letter I, as 0.8 ampere. So this is the current. But the question is asking for the charge, Q, letter Q. That is what we are actually looking for. That is what the question asks us to look for. So now that we know current, we can take the formula for current. Don't forget that also current is given as charge all divided by time. So if we cross multiply now, this is like current over 1. So Q multiply 1, if we cross multiply, we have Q is equal to current multiplied by time, and that is IT. So that will help us to obtain the charge now. So the value of the current, we already know the value of the current as 0.8 amp, 0.8. And then multiply by the time. Don't forget the time is 1 minute, which is equal to 60 seconds. So we're going to multiply by 60 seconds. So that will give us the current 0.8 multiplied by the time 60. And that will give us the charge across the circuit as 48 coulomb. The unit of charge is coulomb, and that is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get more videos like this. Thank you for watching.